Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I showed you the other day, I did the unboxing on the Hoto hand wand cleaner for your home, fully charged. I'm doing a couple of different tests right now. We're going to clean the sink, I'm going to clean the side of my shoe, and then we're going to do some grout, and we're going to show you a little bit about how it works in each one of those actions, let's say. So here's the actual cleaner itself, like I showed you. I'm just going to use some basic hand soap, nothing crazy. I don't want to use anything else. I want to see how the actual thing performs without any heavy-duty cleaners. Let's try that first. I'm just going to use the soft brush. Again, just pops right on, as you can see here. Turn it on, just hold it down once. Okay, that's high, that's low. A little bit of water, get a little soap here. Let's just see what happens over here. Turn that up more. You can see here with just some basic soap and water. You don't have to go crazy. You can see how nice of a job it's doing. Really is doing a nice job. And the hot's getting hot. It's really getting into those crevices, into your sink, on your faucet, and things like that. You can just see how nicely it's lathering. I like that quite a bit. I like that a lot. It's doing a great job. Fantastic. Now let's do over here as well. Underneath that, around here, on top of this. Get some water. Again, it's all waterproof, don't forget. So you can just see how nice of a job it's doing. If you really want to clean your sink, this is something I definitely would recommend. And I like about the power, it really is a nice job. And that's a really, really good job. Yeah. So to get this off, this one unscrews. So the newer ones do. This gets really dirty in here. So I'm going to actually clean this, because this thing is really nasty. And I don't like cleaning this by hand. It's pretty gross. So let's get in there and clean this by hand. Let's see how that works with this machine. These are a couple of things I wanted to really get done. Well, it's really telling the dirt's going everywhere. It's really doing a great job. Look at that. You see the sink is filthy. It's all from this thing here. It's doing a really good job. To get in there with the brushes. Oh, nice. Very nice. Get in here. Like that, around the water. You can see it's doing a fantastic job. With that waterproofing, you don't have to worry about it getting anything dirty. That is pretty clean. Look at that dirt coming out of here. Oh, that gross. These get really gross. These are like, this is just disgusting, these things. Inside here, you can put it inside here. You can clean. Which I like that a lot. Go in here. Like that, shut this off, rinse this all down a little bit real quick here. Give you an idea how nice and clean. Did a really nice job on that, you can see that. Also on here as well. So that really worked really well. I'm definitely going to give that an A plus for sure. Now another thing I wanted to do is I wanted to clean the shoe. A lot of people want to clean their shoes. And there's different brush heads, like I told you before. These are coarse. This is for the grout. We're going to say this for the grout, so leave that to the side. Also, there's a little bit softer brush here. We're going to use the softer brush on the shoe. Take this one off. Again, magnet. See how easy that was to change. Here's the sneaker. Kind of dirty. This is the one I wear a lot. And let's just put a little water on here before. A little bit of soap. Again, just plain soap, nothing fancy. And let's just see how it works on my sneaker. Turn this up. All right. We're doing a good job. You ever see that sneaker guy on social media? You see him all the time. But this will really work good with his product, or just plain soap and water. You can see. I'm going to clean one side and leave the other side alone, and you'll see the difference between the two. I think it's doing a great job. You don't have to kill yourself. And this is just plain soap. This is just basic soap. Nothing fancy in this at all. Put that off. That looks pretty good. Let's just do a quick rinse here. That came out really, really good. Here's the dirty side. You can see the dirt. Hopefully you can see that. And here's the clean side. So that did a great job on your sneakers. I said you can do sneakers, you can do grout, you can do faucets, sinks. I mean, it's so versatile with something like this here. You can see, rinse it off, and you're done with it. Okay. So much versatility. This comes right off. Let it air dry, and you're really good to go. And the last test we're going to do is just do a quick look in my shower. Going to get a grout area, and we're going to do that quickly with some grout cleaner I have, and let's see how that performs. My shower area, and there's a little dirt over here, a little bit of you can see here it's a little dirty. I have some basic cleaner I have here, just something simple. Again, here is the wand. Okay, just snaps right in, easy, super easy. I got a little water here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water. put it in my cleaner, like you see here, okay? And then let's see how it works on this grout. Turn it up and high. Turn on water. You can really get in the corners with it pretty good. It's breaking up all that little bit of mold, a little bit of dirt in there, which is important. You can just see how it's breaking that all up. There you go. Doing a great job. Definitely is breaking it apart. It's hard to get in there with a sponge. Very, very difficult. This is doing a great job. You can just see how it's just breaking it all up. Fantastic. Nice job. Get that dirt out. See that black just coming off the shower. Let's change the head. Real quick, we'll change the head to the other head here, which is the flat one. Okay, put that on here. Get some water. Get some material on here. Hold it down. Yeah, you can just see that's really working that grout. Really, really good. So if you got some stubborn grout lines and stuff like that, you want to get clean, I think I'm going to recommend this for sure. You can see the dirt. You can see how the dirt's coming off here. You can just see that, right? It's just emulsifying that mold, mildew, a little bit of dirt you have in your grout. Definitely going to take care of it for you. Well, I like it. Clean that off. Just rinse it down a little bit. You can just see it did a great job. That's really pretty clean right now. That's awesome. So it did a great job. Definitely 100% in my book. Definitely love it. I mean, you got to work with it, of course, like anything else. Cleaning is never easy, but it can be more efficient with something like this here. So Hoto is the way to go. Definitely going to recommend this 1,000%. Go ahead and clean your house. Definitely for those small, quick spots, like if you got small grout lines, definitely have to be cleaned. Stubborn dirt. This is going to work for you just fine. Why scrub when you can let the machine do it for you? And it absolutely works fantastic. All right, guys, that's what I have. You just want to do that quick review I did before. If you enjoyed the unboxing, go ahead and take a look at that unboxing. I'll leave a link over here for the unboxing. Down below, there'll be a link also for the products. You can see the actual product itself. Go ahead. Do get a small commission if you do purchase it, and it does help my channel out quite a bit, and I do appreciate that. And that's it. That's what I have for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I really do appreciate that, and go ahead and do that. And hope you enjoy the video. Check out the other one as well, the unboxing, and this is just a video of showing you exactly how it works and all the products that you can clean. So many different things. So easy. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.